Don't say I didn't warn you, but you're gonna wanna drizzle this on everything. Hot honey has been all of the rage lately, and boy do I get it. It's got just the right combination of sweet, spicy, and even a bit salty. But instead of spending a ton of money on the store-bought kind, we're whipping up our own at home today, and all you need is 4 ingredients and 10 minutes to make it. You'll start by adding 1 cup of honey to a medium-sized saucepan over medium-high heat. And then bring it to a boil. Once it's boiling, remove the pot from the heat and mix in 1/2 to 1 tablespoon of red pepper flakes. This all depends on how spicy you want your honey to get. 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. This is optional and can be left out if you'd prefer. And a pinch of salt. Whisk until everything is combined. Let the pepper flakes marinate in the honey for at least 5 minutes or up to 10 before straining. The longer the flakes sit in the honey, the spicier it will get. You can also serve as is with the flakes still in the honey if you want even more of a kick. But I'll be honest, I'm a big baby when it comes to spicy things, so I'm gonna be straining mine today. To do this, you'll wanna take a fine mesh strainer and place it over a glass jar. Then pour the hot honey into it. As the honey cools, it loses a lot of its viscosity and will thicken up. So make sure the honey is still nice and warm so it goes through the strainer easily. You can then either store for up to 6 to 8 months in a glass jar at room temperature, or serve it up immediately on anything you want, from pizza and roasted veggies to this delicious crispy chicken. And I've got a great recipe for it right over here if you need it. Thanks so much for hanging out. I will see you in the next one.